we've had a number of stolen firearms recently. On Saturday morning around 8:45 a.m., officers responded to the report of a firearm stolen from a vehicle in the area of South 77th Street and Red Oak Road. A back passenger window of a pickup truck was broken, causing an estimated $100 in damage, and 3 firearms inside were taken, a pistol and 2 rifles, with a total approximate value of $600. Also on Saturday, around 3:45 p.m., officers responded to another report of a firearm stolen from a vehicle in the area of South 73rd and Edenton, which is about a third of a mile away. The vehicle had been left unlocked overnight, and the victim reported a handgun was taken.